In front of me is Realme 10 Pro Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can use pop-up view on this device. Begin by opening one of your apps that you wish to use in this view, in my case Chrome. Now tap on this icon at the bottom left corner and tap on those three dots at the top right one of your app. Finally, click on floating window. And as you can see, when I click on this tiny window, I can use my app in pop-up view. If you wish to move it around, hold this line and drag it. To make it smaller, click on Home button. You can also swipe it to the side to turn it into a bubble. In order to use your app, overlay the other one, just access any other app like Gallery and manage both however you wish to. If you wish to close your app, you can do that by tapping on top right corner. And if you wish to make it full screen, tap on top left one. You can also just swipe your app in the background. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!